Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, it's that time of year, it's almost Christmas time. And I thought I want to make a little bit different kind of Christmas tree this year. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. So let me show you what we need to get started. Okay, you're going to need a 2x4. Cut off 4 pieces 9 inches long. Then leave the rest of it like it is. It's going to be right 59 something. You want a piece of 1x9 that's 20 inches long. You need a clamp. You need 10 3.5 inch screws or nails. Some paint, a paintbrush, a tape measure, some ornament hooks, some screw eyes, some 2.5 inch pocket screws, Kreg Jig pocket screw kit. You're going to need some ornaments, you're going to need some drill bits, and a drill. So let's get started. Okay, set your drill bit from your Kreg Jig to the appropriate size, which this is a 2x4, it's going to be 1.5 inches thick. And then we're going to clamp or jig on to the short end pieces, the 9 inch long end pieces here. We're going to drill 2 holes in it. Okay, it's going to look like that right there. Do all 4 of your pieces like that, 2 holes on each one. Okay, they'll look like that right there. Now we need to make some holes here for little screw eyes. And I'm marking from the end where the pocket holes are. Mark it over 3 inches and 6 inches. Drill you some pilot holes. Then screw the screw eyes in. Okay, they're going to look like this. You're going to have just the opposite on this other side over here. So once we got those in place, now let's screw this to the 2x4. Let's measure down about 9 inches and we'll do the others. Okay, mark you a line here about 7 inches down, and then every 5 inches mark you 4 more lines down through here. And we're gonna make some pilot holes for the screws. Okay guys, I've got it finished up. I've got it sitting in my living room here. I've added ornaments to it, and I went ahead and bought some lights and added them to it too. I bet you can't tell I'm a drag racing fan. I have been most of my life. This is the perfect Christmas tree for my house. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And as always, thanks for watching guys.